Well, as you can see, it's snowing a bit. Poor old Biscuit's getting covered. And yes, it's snowing. I might even send her on up a minute. I might dare it. I don't know yet. It's supposed to be like this all day. Just look at that lot. Snow, snow, snow. He's loving it. He loves snow. He used to roll about in it on grass. We'll see if he does it. Let's carry on walking up here a bit. I think he's wanting to go on there, but he's unsure. Supposed to be about 2 centimetres of snow we're getting today, but in the Peak District it should be about 25 centimetres, which is a lot. So hopefully it'll whoa, sorry, that's me dropping a phone. It'll still be there when I go out tomorrow. He's roaming around in snow. Loves it. I've got a white dog. Absolutely loves it. Sorry, my film is crap. I'll try to hold my phone steady while I'm walking dog. So we'll see. I love it when it snows me. This isn't keen on snow. I love it. He loves it. Starting to settle now. Started snowing about 8 o'clock this morning, but that really fine stuff, and it weren't settling, but now it is, as you can see. There's he going. There's another whistle. You don't want to say wind, do you? This way, Biscuit. This way. Come on. Absolutely loves it. Look, tails up, look. Loves the snow. Right, boy. Hey? Loves the snow. Yeah. Are you going to mark your land now, are you? Was round in a circle. Has a little tiddle. This is my land now, as our Callum says. So we've got to pay you rent with biscuits. Pay you rent with doggy treats. Loves it, absolutely loves it. We're walking back down there in a minute, or should I say sliding back down there. Sorry about the old shakiness, but I brought my tripod out. No point when I'm dog walking, is there? Yeah, snow day! Woo! He's getting absolutely covered. He's not bothered though. Loves it. Absolutely loves it. When we first got him, all his fur on back of his backside, they're all starting to come off. But he's on steroids now, and he absolutely different dog. He thinks he's two, because it's made his fur grow back. Steroids. It's a totally different dog. Look at him, bless him. You're a bit wet, mate. Biscuit. Wait, boy. Come up. Come on, let's go up. Just a short walk today. We're sliding that mankin. Woohoo! Look at me hood. My heck. I'll shave my beard off. Wish I kept it on now. I kept my sheep for one. Yeah, snow day biscuit. It's like there's only us that walked up here this morning. No top floor. Isn't it? Hey. I'll rest it on that. There we go. She's a bit more steadier. Go on then. Let's not going straight up today, mate. Probably go sliding on here in a minute. Gotta go steady, biscuit. You wait for me, look. Oh, slippy slidey, slippy slidey. So yeah, I just thought I'd show you the snow. He's waiting. Oh, whoa, shit. Excuse my language. Snow day, Sheffield. I think the weather forecast said that eventually, nearly falls, is gonna turn to rain. Well, we're supposed to be having chip shop tonight, but it might not be possible. I reckon they'll close. If that was the case, they're screwed. So we'll see. So, mate, can you smell some biscuit loving the snow? Hey, look. Stay there, biscuit. Snow day. Coming down good and proper now. Hey, boy. Are you covered, pal? Is that a shake? Whoa! Nearly went. I love walking in snow though. But not on the slippery grass. He's going up there having a look. Just see on Norfolk Park, see if... Let's have a look on roads. Even roads getting covered, look. Park with Range Rovers. Not too bad at the moment. Still passable. It might not be later. But we'll see. Can't even see the town up. There's marking his land again. Off it is, biscuit. There's somebody else coming up, look. Slowly. How are you doing, pal? Here we are, look. There's it rolling around. Daft dog. Crackers. What are you doing? Loves it, don't you, boy? Come in then. This way. Come on, hey, here he comes. Go on, this way. I've got to be careful so I don't fall, he says. He's eating it now. Stop eating snow, don't eat no brown stuff. Oh, this is going to be dodgy. Dodgy snow. There we go. I'll be posting this on YouTube and on TikTok and possibly Facebook as well, all the usual socials. Whoa, steady on, biscuit, he's pulling. I'm slipping. These shoes haven't got very good grip. Hold up, biscuit. See, he thinks he's 2 years old again, he's nearly 10. 10 in July. Bless him. So, are you getting... Are you getting covered, mate? Way up. Slippery slider. Whoa. Sugar. Nearly swore again. Try not to swear in my videos. Sometimes when there's occasions when you just go like now. Anyway, guys. Whoa. Whoa. Right, I'm going to stop here. I hope you did enjoy this little slippery slidey snow drone video. Oh, well, not a drone video, but a snow video. Hopefully it'll be a snow drone video later on. And I shall see you later on. Don't forget to like, share and comment and all that stuff. So, see you later, guys. Bye. I need to be careful. careful walking down this banking. See you later. Bye.